Guys, we got some stuff at Dollar Tree, so let's get home. I got some slimes. So we got glitz glue, marshmallow treats,
You said she
honeybee, and
did she give it to you or did you take it?
strawberry cream. Start with marshmallow treats. Open it. How do you open it?
Start with it.
Got it.
Then they wouldn't have to change my
Oh, it comes with like sprinkles to go in it. I did not know that. Okay, we got it out.
The only way I've been surviving is by taking
I did not expect this to be.
every 12 hours. I
Wait.
take it twice a day.
They say they're scented. This is so good. Let's add a sprinkle. The sprinkles are fun. Can't put the sprinkles in and like. I'll give it a second. Okay, I'm gonna put this back away. Now let's do strawberry cream. Oh, I think they all come with like little like chunks. So these are these. This is the strawberry cream.
When you can clean in the stock tank?
I know.
Oh, that's why
Yeah,
even
this is
Dang, you got the heels on that. Cruiser.
No, I don't
like
think
really
why even
bad.
fed him for the last few nights.
This one's the best.
How is he
I'm
gonna
gonna
get
add
food?
these.
He's going
Stuff that the
to...
kids.
I put the charms in. This one sucks. Okay, wait. So we're gonna do honeybee now. I'm saving this one for last because it looks the best. Wait, these charms are so cute. They're like little flowers. Okay. I'm actually hoping this one's good because wait, it's like ooh. Wait, it's like a water slime. It's like jello kind of. Ooh, wait. Wait, I don't know. It's not that bad, but it's like really cool. Okay, let's add the charms.
Yeah, this one's a mess.
Not that bad. I'll give it like a 5.5, but it's so pretty. I was not expecting it to be that texture, but whatever. Guys, look at the charms. It looks sparkly. So funny. It feels like the other one. Guys, this is like the honey one. It's like the water one. Oh, they look like different textures. Charms. There's so much glitter. My brother just left. It's pretty. This one's the best.